Respected principal, distinguished guests, and all my dear friends.
Class 9D brings you what is yours is mine.
Children, all of you all have brilliant ideas, but are still not willing to collaborate for the same group project.
But we all have different ideas. We prefer to work alone, and so we are going to.
No, what are you saying? No, we have to work, we have to collaborate with each other. We have to collaborate.
You people have made this place a fish market.
The students doze off and have a dream.
I used to live alone, all of myself. Along came the others, I saw some goodness in them. We all lived together, hunted innocent. Now the world is moving forward, it's time for us to end. Friends are now forgotten, nothing's a secret anymore. Ideas shine out like sparks, we have come out from the dark. Yeah, the world is so much better because of all our hard work. Working together as one, never ever been so much fun. Future is here, the end is near, the world is dying, you can feel it is in pain. The only solution would be working together as one. We're killing the ecosystem, we can't just stop and run. Save the resources, find solutions. We can make the world much better. All we want to do is work together as one.
Earlier, people were not allowed to share their ideas and opinions with the world, especially during the 15th and 16th centuries. People were actually afraid to put forward their views and opinions, mainly due to the fear of the church. The church believed in the theories of Aristotle. This is why whenever someone opposed his theories, the church tried to kill them. And the problem was that Aristotle was wrong a lot of times. Nicolaus Copernicus was the first to propose the idea of heliocentrism. Even though his ideas had reached a definite form, he delayed the publication of his book, perhaps for the fear of criticism from religious quarters.
Oh, Holy Father, please accept my theory of heliocentrism.
No, this is gibberish. This makes no sense.
No.
Therefore, the church and other scientists came in conflict. Why don't you students understand the importance of collaboration? We use collaboration in our daily life, even in school.
How do we use it in school?
Khan Academy, FISOC. By the means of the internet, the teacher can share the study as well as the homework material with the students. This helps decrease the burden on the teacher as well as the students. These group activities that you all indulge in are all to improve your collaborative skills. On a global level, the United Nations helps in collaboration. Now I'm going to show you a video.
Do we have any motions on the floor? Yes, Delegate, proceed.
Motion to enter into moderated caucus discussing if patents should be applied on life-saving drugs or not. Per speaker time 30 seconds and total time 20 minutes.
Those in favor of the motion. This motion clearly passes. When would you like to speak, delegate of Brazil?
I would like to speak in the end, Chair. Sure, delegate. Those wishing to speak in the moderated caucus. So begin with the delegate of United Kingdom.
Thank you, Chair. The delegate of UK believes that patents should not be applied on life-saving drugs, as one of the major barriers why people lack access to essential medicines is the high prices of drugs due to patents applied on them.
Thank you, delegate. Delegate of Republic of China, you have the floor for 30 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. The patent of life-saving drugs should be applied because low-quality drug will endanger the life of the patient. Since it is a matter of life and death of a patient, the patent should be applied.
Thank you, delegate. Delegate of Russia, you have the floor for 30 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. The delegate of Russia believes that there are inventors and their product is medicine. Research and development costs are significant, both in terms of time and money. They get patents, are compensated and rewarded accordingly.
Thank you, delegate. Delegate of France, you have the floor for 30 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. Even though we believe in sharing of resources and want other countries to prosper, but we also believe that removing patents is not a solution. It takes the country about 10 to 15 years to make a new medicine, and to tell them to sell it at such low rates won't be fair. And in fact, most new medicines come from countries who respect patents.
Thank you, delegate. Delegate of United States of America.
So in the end, the UN committee came to a decision by coming together and collaborating to make a resolution. They said that patents can be applied on the process, but not on the product. This was accepted by all.
आपकी फसलें इतनी जल्दी कैसे बढ़ गई?
ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था.
थोड़े महीने पहले हमारे गांव में एक आदमी आया था. उसने हमें मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड सिखाए, जैसे प्लांटेशन ऑफ HYV सीड्स, मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग और क्रॉप रोटेशन.
उसने कोलैबोरेशन करना सिखाया.
उसकी वजह से हमारी किस्मत पूरी बदल गई है. शुक्रिया.
I hope you like the video, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class is over, but before you leave, we have a special guest with us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to tell you something about life. Now, life, as you most probably will know by now, is not easy. Life's gonna knock you down. It's gonna spit on you. But the thing about life is, they'll never come back and pick you up. Now it's up to you how you take that and move forward. And everyone moves forward in the form of success. The three basic rules of success are, first, giving your 100% to whatever you do. Second, working in a team because together, everyone achieves more. And the third and the most important is sharing your ideas. Because the world doesn't really want you, it wants your ideas. It doesn't matter who we are. What matters are our plans, our ideas. You may be as brilliant as Richard Feynman or Albert Einstein, but that won't matter if you can't share your ideas. If you don't let out what's beneath that misty layer of consciousness. The world doesn't really know you if you're hidden deep down under. Ladies and gentlemen present here, how much do you know about yourselves if you have never shared an idea with others? An idea, unlike thinking, people, is incorruptible. Thank you.
My idea of a perfect world really can't be created by one person or even a million experts. It really is 7 billion pairs of hands working together, following their own dreams. Those are the words of renowned author J. Silver, who truly believes that we can only move on if we collaborate and share our ideas with each other.
I am very grateful that you all have been such a wonderful audience. Even though we faced a few hardships, each one of class 90 cracked their heads to put up this show. And I hope our great effort will bring a little change in your lives, a consideration towards collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you.